Chico and Mr. No Pencils here with the concept of stimulus diffusion. Today, we will be discussing the highly interesting stimulus diffusion. Stimulus diffusion is a process by which an idea spreads, but seems to fail originally. However, it later catches on almost like wildfire in that crazy thing we call popular culture, but with minor alterations to appeal given that existing culture. Examples of stimulus diffusion include the classic example of how when McDonald's moved to India, no beef was sold, but to compensate, vegetarian burgers were sold to satisfy the Hindu population. The example I thought of was the idea of a tablet. It was pitched by Bill Gates of Microsoft, and it didn't really catch on and seemed kind of, well, lame. However, a few years later, Steve Jobs and Apple released the iPad, which everyone wanted to purchase. Now, today, we see many corporations such as Toshiba and Google releasing their own versions of a tablet. Related terms to stimulus diffusion include expansion diffusion and globalization. Globalization is related because stimulus diffusion involves the spread of an idea over a large space in a relatively quick amount of time. And expansion diffusion is a more widely encompassing term, which includes stimulus diffusion. It is similar to the relationship between a rectangle and a square. All squares are rectangles, just as stimulus diffusion is a form of expansion diffusion, but all expansion diffusion is not stimulus diffusion, at least in regard to the movement of ideas. That's all for today, and remember, don't forget to be awesome. See you all next time.